How's it going? Today I want to talk about this product for your hydraulic steering. Now, what this is designed for is if you have a boat with an outboard motor and it's a little bit stiff whenever you're driving, you want to upgrade to some hydraulics, this is what's going to make it happen. Now with this unit, you can see here, it has its ratings and specs. It's going to be designed for up to 300 horsepower motors. In addition to that, it comes with two 26-foot hose, so you have plenty of length to route those hoses from the outboard motor to the steering wheel. This is going to be designed to make the steering much more smooth. Hydraulics makes a game changer, especially if you're converting an older boat with an outboard motor and you're wanting to have like that new feel going on the water. This is going to be able to help with that. In addition to the hoses, you also have all the components required to get this installed. The instructions are extremely clear. The main thing is you need to make sure the specs match the boat that you are trying to fit this into. Because like I said before, if you're restoring an old boat, if you have a boat that just lacks the hydraulics, this kit is able to get you upgraded to a much nicer boat like you see here. Now, I have yet to install this to actually give it a try, but I will say based on the components, the craftsmanship, the way that everything is packaged individually, the instructions, this seems like it would definitely do the job. So I'm really impressed with just how everything is labeled, how the hoses are long enough, how they have different combinations. So say you don't have the exact specs to fit this one, they do have other ones available that you could try out. Overall, this is going to be able to just upgrade and elevate your ride on your boat, whether it's an older boat that has no hydraulics or it's just a somewhat new boat that you want to upgrade to hydraulics. This is going to be able to do the trick.